Good morning, Scott. I am back and ready to deliver a video that I promised some soldiers or women in my comments yesterday. You saw the video where I went over the AR670-1 updated reg and the standard for the length that we are allowed to have as far as our nails and maybe even some color options. I promised some commenters that I would make a video with like a color wheel kind of as a guide as to what colors are authorized and what colors are not authorized, because a lot of soldiers were confused about that, so I'm here and ready to help. So just kind of going over the basics. If you read the regulation, if you go past the part where it lists the extreme colors that are not authorized, you get into the part where it tells you what is authorized, and it is nude and natural shades, American manicure, and light pink. So if you don't know what those are, I will go over the nude and natural shades with you first. Generally speaking, when you say a natural or a nude shade, people tend to think cream or tan. That's usually the first thing that people always say, something similar to my watch band color, but that's not the only option that you have. There's coffee, there's beige, there's espresso, there's a shade that's actually called nude. Brown is considered a natural shade, hence why my nails are brown right now, because again, that is authorized. Brown is a color that is in the OCP pattern. That doesn't mean that all colors that are in the OCP pattern are authorized. Clearly, green is listed as an extreme color and it is not authorized, so please do not think that you can go get any color that you see in the OCP pattern, because that's not accurate. Okay, so I'm going to start with this general color pattern to go over with you guys. If you are familiar with nail polish, or you get your nails done, painted, whatever, OPI is a popular nail polish brand. A lot of people swear by it. It's long lasting, it's good, it's very popular in the nail industry and in the nail field. There are shades mixed into this example that represent the nude or natural shades, as well as the light pink, both of which are authorized, and they are all listed right here. These light pinks that they have in this are great examples of what you can have. A lot of women in the Army do go with light pink just because light pink is hard to mess up in a sense. Light pink is light pink, and this is what it looks like. And I see a lot of women do that, and that's great. There are some light shades of what looks to be like a tan or a cream. That very bottom one, it looks like almost like a pale cream. That's authorized if you prefer a color like that. This OPI Pale to the Chief is almost like an espresso or a coffee color. As I mentioned before, that's authorized as well. Go to part 2, I'm out of time.